Hey, Jerry here. I just wanted to shoot a quick little video to let you know how to start your day at the shop off right. So it only takes a few minutes and there's three important parts to it. So what I'd like to say is, first of all, I call it the morning huddle. So every morning before you get started for work, huddle up your guys. What you want to talk about is three things. One, I want to go over the scoreboard. How are we on our goals? Are we ahead of what our plan was for the week, or are we behind it? Again, every morning, step number one, go over your scorecard. Number two, what's on this docket for today? So I want to kind of review the schedule, make sure we got a full staff. What does the appointment schedule look like? Those types of things. Really important to keep your guys in the loop so they know about what kind of day we got going today. And then, of course, are there anything left over from last night that we got to finish up? And then lastly, and probably most important, are there any alligators in the shop? And you're thinking, what are you talking about, alligators? We all know there are alligators in the shop. And what I mean by an alligator, it's the things that are gonna suck the profits and eat the profits out of your day. Are there any troublesome cars? Are there any alligators? Are there anything that's gonna stop us from hitting our numbers and achieving and making today the best day possible? So again, I suggest you do a quick morning huddle, gather everybody up every day, just a couple minutes, and cover those three things. Talk soon.